Hello friends, let's see another question from electric circuits and network. In this question, a circuit is given in which Vs is 250 sin 500t volt, Zs is 100 plus J 200 ohm. Now the details of this load impedance Zl is given as this is a parallel combination of resistor and capacitor. Now we have to find the value of resistance and capacitance by applying maximum power transfer theorem. That means the question says such that the maximum power transfer takes from source to load are respectively. So we have to find the value of this resistance and capacitance which are connected in parallel, which form the load resistance, such that maximum power flow through this load resistor from this source. These are the options. Let's see how we do this question. Given Vs is equal to 250 sin 500t. From this is sin omega t, right? We got the value of omega equal to 500 radians per second. Now let's apply maximum power transfer theorem. By maximum power transfer theorem, load resistance or load impedance Zl should be equal to conjugate of the source impedance. Why conjugate means this is AC circuit. Okay, it consists of resistors, capacitors. So we just take conjugate. That means Zl is equal to 100 plus J 200 conjugate. That means 100 minus J 200. Now we have to find the value of R and C. That means given that the Zl load impedance is a parallel combination of a resistor and a capacitor. That means there is a capacitive reactance. That means minus JXC. We know Xc is equal to 1 by omega C. From that we can find the value of C also, capacitance also. By parallel combination, Zl is equal to R into minus JXC by R plus minus JXC, which should be equal to 100 minus J 200. Because we already find that Zl should be equal to 100 minus J 200. From this, let's solve this equation. Take conjugate of R minus JXC and multiply in numerator as well as in denominator. And we get like this. Again, splitting into real term and imaginary term. This Rxc square by R square plus Xc square is real term and equate it to the real term 100. Now minus J R square Xc by R square plus Xc square is imaginary term, that so equate it to 200. This is from which we get two equations of R square plus Xc square. Both are equal, right? R square plus Xc square. By equating 1 and 2, we get Rx square by 100 equal to R square Xc by 200, from which we get equation 3, that is R is equal to 2Xc. Now let's put this equation 3 in equation 1. That means for this R value, let's give 2Xc. And we get the value of Xc as 250 ohm. We know Xc is equal to 1 by omega C. We know the value of omega and Xc. From that we get capacitance value is 8 microfarad. And from equation 3, R is equal to 2Xc, we got the Xc value, from which R is equal to, we get 500 ohm. Therefore R is equal to 500 ohm and C is equal to 8 microfarad. Therefore option, let's see the options. Option D is the right answer. R is equal to 500 ohm and C is equal to 8 microfarad. Hope you understood this question. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. We will meet with another video in another question in another video. Till then, bye bye.